Now see how to find the highest common factors. Already I told you in first example also, but now let us see practice set 24 question number 1. So students, before this you have to write the now I know, which is given on in textbook page number 47. Now this now I know you have to write. To find the HCF of given numbers, we make a list of the factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factors. For example, see here 45 and 30. Now find the factors of 45. First, always 1 should come, then 2 will come, no, 3, 5 plus 4, 9, yes, 3 will come, 4, 5 will come, yes, because ending 5 is there, okay, then 6, no, 7, 8, 9, 9 will come, then 10, 11, 12, no, 13, 14, 15, any number, yes, 15, in the table of 15, 45 comes, yes, 15 threes are 45. Then 16, 17, any number comes after this, I think, no. So after this 45 will come directly. Then 30, 1, then 2, 3, then 4 will not come, 5, then 6 will come, 6 5 are 30, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10 threes are 30, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 3 2s are 30, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no, then 15, after 15 I think 30 directly. See students, always 1 and last number will always come, 1 and last number, 1 and in between you have to find the factors. Then next is the, you have to find the common factors. So 1 is there, then 5 is there, then 15 is there in both, okay, and write that 1 common factors, 1, then 5 and then 15. Always underline the common factors so that it is easy to write here, and only once you have to write that all common, here 1, here 1, so 1 is the common factor. Now HCF means what? Highest common factor. So which is the highest common means last one, that is 15. So therefore HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. Okay, very easy it is. Then see the second example. This example you have to copy it in your notebook. Then second example is second 16 and 48. So find the factors of 16. 1, 2, then 3 will come, no, 6 plus 1 7, 7 is not there in the table of 3, 3 4, 4 4s are 16, 5 6 7 8, what will come, 8, then 9 10 11 12 13 14, 8, after 8 16 will come I think, okay, then 48, 1 2, 8 plus 4 12, so 3 will come, then 4 will also come, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, then 5 6 will come, then 7 8 9, 8 will come, then 9 will not come, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 will come, then 16 3s are, okay, then 16, after 16 24 will come. So you must learn the table now till 25. So in the table of 24, 48 comes, 24 4 2s are 48, and then 48 will come. Okay, so see, these many factors are there for 48. Then next step is our common factors. Common factors. So which are the common factors here? 1 is there, 2 2 is there, here 4, here 4, here 8 is there, here 8 is there, here 16 is there, here also 16 is there. So I can write 1 2, 3 is not there, 4 8 and 16. So therefore HCF is equal to 16. Highest common factor means last one. So this way you can find the HCF of given numbers. Okay students, then which number you find? Okay, third also I will solve. This example also you have to copy in your notebook. Then third example, in the third example 39 and 25 is there. 39 and 25. Then what are the factors of 39? 1. Is there 2? No, because 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is not there. 3, 9 plus 3, 12. So 3 is there. 4, no. 5, 6, no. 7, 8, no. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13. In the table of 13, 39 comes. 13 3s are 39. Then 14, 15, any number comes in between. You have to say in mind the tables fast and you have to remember. Okay. And then I think 39 only will come. Okay. Then 25. 1, 2 is not there. 3, 5 plus 2, 7. So 3 will not come. 6, 4, 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. 6, no. 7, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No. So only I think 25 will come. Isn't it? Yes. So now common factors. Common factors. So which are the common factors? 1 and then no 1. So I think now I told you only sometimes only 1 also may come as a common factor. So here that thing happened. Only 1 is the common factor among 39, in between 39 and 25, and therefore HCF is equal to 1. So 1 is the HCF, means 1 is the only highest common factor among the 39 and 25. Next two numbers you can find. Now 3-digit number, can I take one example? That will, fourth you have to solve. Fourth you have to solve homework. Okay, after third.